In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Batman Arkham City. Check my video description for this save file download link. Scroll down, choose the save file you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this number one 100% finished story with all 440 trophies. Go to files and choose the number. I guess 100% finished story. Download the save. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and navigate to a game save location. In my case, it's in this PC C drive. Select this view and select show. Check mark this hidden items option, and then you can able to see this program data folder. Open and then open this Steam player 200260 and open the storage. Drag and drop the save file inside. If you have the save3 file already, then you need to back up your game progress before dropping the save and then launch the game. Choose the save file 71%, continue story. And as you can see, the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.